Now we will do example 6. Example 6. In this example, Sanya has a field in rhombus shape. Say A, B, C and D. Sanya has a rhombus field, say A, B, C and D. Let A be the side of this field. Let side of rhombus ABCD is equal to a meter. Sanya wants her daughter and her son will work on this land, so she divided it into two equal parts such as, say this is part 1 and this is part 2. Part 1 is equal to part 2. What is given? One of diagonals, say BD is equal to 160 meter. This is given 160 meter. BD is 160 meter. Okay. And the other thing is given perimeter. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter of rhombus ABCD is equal to 400 meter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter, addition of all sides. A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 400 meter. This is A plus A plus A and plus A. This is 400 meter. That means 4A is equal to 400 meter. Implies A is equal to, what will be the value of A? 4 वहाँ जाकर डिवाइड में होएगा, 400 divided by 4 which is equal to 100 meter. That means length of each side is 100 meter. This is 100 meter, this is also 100, this is also 100 and this is also 100 meter. Clear? इतना समझ में आया? Now we want to find out area of these two triangles. So we will find out area of triangle A, B and D by Heron's formula. Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? We know very well. This is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. What are A, B and C? A, B and C. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. जिसका एरिया हम फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं उसी की साइड्स यहाँ पर लिखी जाती हैं. A, B and C. What are the value of A, B and C? A is equal to, say, AB 100 meter. B is equal to, say this is A, this is B and this is C for this triangle. अब हम इस ट्रायंगल की बात कर रहे हैं A, B and D. ओके यहाँ पर मैंने अज्यूम किया है A is 100 मीटर एंड D is B which is 160 meter. What is AD? AD which is C which is 100 meter. Okay. Now what is B? 160 meter. What is C? This is 100 meter. Now we will find out the value of S. S is here semi-perimeter. What will be the S? S is A plus B plus C divided by 2. हम इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. ओके शेडेड ट्रायंगल. यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज मत होना. ए बी 100 मीटर है, BD 160 meter and AD 100 meter. So add the value of all sides. 100 plus 160 plus 100 divided by 2, which is equal to 360 divided by 2, which is equal to 180 meter. Here S is 180 meter. Put the value here. We get 180. 180 minus 100, 180 minus 160 and 180 minus again 100, we get 180. This is 80. 180 minus 60, 20. Again this is 80. Now break it, make the factor. It can be write as 3 into 3 into 20. This is 80. This is 20 and this is again 80. Now, how many pairs are there? There are 3 pairs. One pair of 3, one pair of 20 and one pair of 80. We can write it as 3 into 20 into 80, which is equal to 4800 meter square. Clear? So, area of triangle ABD is equal to 4800 meter square. Hence, we can say that each of them, her daughter and her son, each of them will get area of 4800 meter square. Okay, this is the answer. इसी क्वेश्चन को हम एक सेकेंड वे में फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Look at the board. This is our rhombus. A, B, C and D. We have a diagonal of this. What was it? 160 meter. Sides हमने फाइंड आउट की थी. 100 meter. 100 meter, this is also 100 meter, this is also 100 meter. Okay. Now, we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. If we join it, AC is also diagonal of this figure. BD is the longest diagonal which is given. This is 160 meter and this is, we will find out. Now, this angle will be 90 degree. Okay. Say this is O. BO is equal to OD because diagonal bisect each other. So BO is equal to OD and AO is equal to OC. Clear? We have BD is equal to 160 meter. Therefore, BO is equal to OD, which is equal to 160 divided by 2, that means 80 meter. Now we have this is 80 meter and this is 80 meter. Clear? Now what will we do? We will find out the value of OC. In right angle triangle BOC, we can write BC whole square is equal to OB whole square plus OC whole square by Pythagoras. पाइथागोरस अप्लाई की जा सकती है बिकॉज दिस इज एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री. वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ओ सी. ओ सी स्क्वेयर हम एक साइड रखेंगे, बी सी स्क्वेयर माइनस ओ बी स्क्वेयर, बिकॉज हम इसे इस तरफ लेकर गए हैं, इसकी जगह हमने चेंज नहीं की, ये एज इट इज़ है. साइन ऑफ दिस टर्म विल बी चेंज. ओके, नाउ वी विल गेट what is the value of BC. BC is 100 square minus OB. what is the value of OB? अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया है 80 स्क्वेयर विच इज इक्वल टू minus 80, that means 6400. Now this is clear. OC whole square is equal to 3600. what will be the value of OC under root of this? what will be the value of this? 60. that means 60 meter. this is 60 meter. clear. Now we want to find out area of the triangle BCD or area of triangle BAD. in triangle BCD we have base है यहाँ पर हमारे पास, BD is equal to 160 meter. also we have height. height कितनी है? OC which is equal to 60 meter. now area of triangle BCD is equal to 1/2 base into height. यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम ये फॉर्मूला बिकॉज वी नो हाइट ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. what will be the value? 1/2. what is base? base is 160 into 60. कट कर सकते हैं, 2 8 16 0. now 4800 meter square area of triangle BCD, because area of these two triangles have same value. so at the last we can say that each of them will get area is equal to 4800 meter square. this is the answer. I hope you understand very well. आपको इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस करने हैं 12.2 के. if you have any problem you can comment or you can ask me. thank you so much.